new topic, that is problems related to speed, or you can say velocity. Now here is a question. Two automobiles start out at the same time from cities 595 km apart. Let these two, A and B, are the cities. These A and B are two cities which are 595 km apart. Now, if the speed of one is 8 by 9 of the speed of the other, let if the speed of one is 8 by 9 of the speed of the other, and if they meet in 7 hours, what is the speed of each? Now let here they meet. It goes from this place and it comes to this place. Here they meet after 7 hours. Now, how much distance A covered? This, that means we are using our formula, that is V equal to S by T. V is the velocity, S is the distance, and T is the time. Or we can say S equal to V into T. Now here 7x, 7 is the time, and x, let the speed of the first car, instead of automobile we can say car, be x kilometer per hour. This is the speed and 7 is the time. So V into T, it comes distance. 7x is the distance plus 7 8 by 9 of x. This distance is 7x and this distance is 7 8 by 9x. So on adding these two, we should get 595 kilometer. Now here 7x plus 56x equal to 595 into 9, 63x. 7 9 is 63x plus 56x equal to 595 into 5. Hundred and 19x equal to 5355 kilometer. Now x would be 5355 divided by 119. It should come 45. Now the speed of the of the first car equal to 45 kilometer per hour, and the speed of the second car equal to 8 by 9 into 45, that means 40 kilometer per hour. This is the solution. Now I am explaining again. This is the distance of first car, that means velocity, x velocity into 7 time. So velocity into time, it becomes s. This is the distance covered by the first car. Similarly, it is second car, the speed is 8 by 9 of the first car, 8 by 9 of the first car, and after 7 hours it will cover this distance, 7, 8 by 9 into x. Now this is 595 kilometer apart, so this distance plus this distance becomes 595, then solve it. This is the solution. Second question coming to. This is a car traveling at a speed of 60 km per hour left the place P, and an hour later another car leaves the place P and catches up with the first car after traveling 4 hours at a uniform speed. What was the average speed of the second car? Now, I hope it will not be so problematic. How? See, a car traveling, that means first car, speed V equal to 60 kilometer per hour, and an hour later another car leaves the place and P catches the first car after traveling 4 hours. That means time taken by the first car T equal to 4 hours plus 1 hour. ये 4 आवर वो खुद चल के गए हैं 4 घंटे, और उसके बाद इनको पीछा किया है जो कार वो 1 घंटा बाद चला, तो यहाँ पे कैच करने में उनको 5 घंटा टोटल चाहिए था सेकंड कार को. तो ये है फर्स्ट कार, दैट इज 5 आवर्स. Now, distance traveled S equal to V into T. That means V 60 into 5, 300 किलोमीटर. 300 किलोमीटर वो पहुंच गए थे फर्स्ट कार. सेकंड कार डिस्टेंस, जैसे ये है P, पॉइंट P, यहां से फर्स्ट कार गया है 300 किलोमीटर. ये 300 किलोमीटर है, 300 किलोमीटर. डिस्टेंस S इक्वल टू 300 किलोमीटर। यहाँ पे आके सेकेंड कार उनको कैच किया है, तो सेकेंड कार को कितना तय किया, 300 किलोमीटर। यहाँ पे आके उन्होंने उनको कैच किया था। तो ही ट्रेवल्ड, सेकेंड कार ट्रेवल्ड 300 किलोमीटर। नाउ टाइम टेकन T 4 घंटे। ये सेकेंड कार को लगा 4 आवर्स और 1 आवर 5 आवर, लेकिन इनके लिए लगा था 4 आवर्स। So velocity or speed V equal to S by T। S है 300 divided by 4, that means 75 kilometer per hour। What was the average speed of the second car? सेकेंड कार का ये लगा, क्योंकि ये 4 घंटा खुद लिया है और ये 1 घंटे बाद कैच किया फर्स्ट को, तो इसका टोटल इन्होंने टाइम टेकन 5 आवर्स और ये 4 घंटे लिए इनको कैच करने में। तो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन। द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ द सेकेंड कार इज द 75 किलोमीटर पर आवर। ओके, दिस इज द थर्ड क्वेश्चन। द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द 2 स्टेशन A and B is 230 किलोमीटर। A and B ये है पर 230 किलोमीटर। Two cars start at the same time from A and B in the opposite direction। $20 किलोमीटर, ये opposite direction from A here to this side and B coming from that side to this side। Between them, after 3 hours running is distance between them after 3 hours is 20 किलोमीटर। मतलब 3 घंटे चलने के बाद, ये भी 3 घंटा चला है, ये भी 3 घंटा चला है, 3 घंटे के बाद इनका गैप रह गया था 20 किलोमीटर। If the speed of one car is less than that of the other by 10, that means यहाँ पे शुरू होता है कैलकुलेशन। Now car 1 distance traveled by A plus distance traveled by B equal to 230 किलोमीटर माइनस ये गैप रह गया था तो 20 किलोमीटर, ये आना चाहिए kilometer। Now let us find out how much distance traveled by A। After let the speed of the first car be x, इसका x है So after 3 hour running, the distance covered, that means 3x velocity into time. Velocity into time equal to distance. S equal to velocity into time plus distance covered by b. यहाँ पे x था इसका और ये 10 किलोमीटर लेस है, 10 किलोमीटर less than that of the other by 10 kilometer. That means x becomes x minus 10 equal to 230 minus 20, that means 210 किलोमीटर. ये आपका ये और इतना तक आपका 210 है. 210 plus 20 230. Now 3x 6x equal to 210 minus 30 plus 30 equal to 240 divided x equal to 240 divided by 6, that means 40. Speed of the first car is 40 kilometer per hour. Now second car, speed of the first car equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Speed of the second car equal to 10 kilometer 40 30 40 minus 10 equal to 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ये है आपका solution. This is the fourth question. The distance between two stations is 250 kilometer. Stations. 250 kilometer. Two trains started simultaneously from both the station in opposite direction. Opposite direction. मानिए ये स्टेशन A है, ये स्टेशन B है. The distance between them after 2.5 hours is 25 किलोमीटर. That means यहाँ तक आ गया, यहाँ ये आपका 25 किलोमीटर गैप रह गया था. They were apart from each other, 25 kilometer. Now, if the speed of one train is 10 kilometer per hour more than the other, find the speed of each train. Now, we have to think at this stage how much distance traveled by first train. So, first train, distance traveled by the first train, that means after traveling 2.5 hours, let the speed of the first train be x kilometer per hour. If x be the speed, then distance covered by the first train is 5 by 2x. Time into speed becomes s equal to v into t. This is the time and this is the velocity. So it becomes, after multiplying, it becomes distance traveled by the first train. Accordingly, 5 by 2 x plus 10, यहाँ पे स्पीड है x और इसमें 10 किलोमीटर मोर ये. नाउ टोटल डिस्टेंस है 250, बट दे कुड नॉट मीट ईच अदर. इतना गैप रह गया था. दैट मीन्स 25 5x by 2 plus 5x divided by 2 equal to plus 50 divided by 2 equal to 200, 225. Now 5x divided by 2 plus 5x divided by 2 equal to 225 minus 25. That means 10x equal to 200 into 2, 400, x equal to 40. The speed of the first train is 40 kilometer per hour. तो नेक्स्ट का क्या होगा? 50. यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट सेकेंड. Speed of the first train equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Speed of the second train would be 40 plus 10 equal to 50 kilometer per hour. This is the solution, just like previous one. This is the fifth question. A car traveling at 60 km per hour left Gauripur at 3 p.m. 1 hour later, another car traveling at 80 km per hour started over the same road to overtake the first car. How long must the second car travel to overtake the first car? Now here let the time taken by the second car be x hours. जैसे यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया, एक ने किया है 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर और दूसरे ने किया 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर फ्रॉम द सेम प्लेस. यहाँ तक पहुँच गया मानो फर्स्ट कार. सेकेंड कार इसका पीछा कर रहा है, तो दैट मीन्स ओवरटेक करेगा, सेम पोजीशन में ही आएगा, सेम डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. नाउ लेट द टाइम टेकन बाय द सेकेंड कार बी x and the speed of the second car equal to 80 kilometer per hour. It is given. So the distance covered equal to 80 into x, that means velocity into time, that is distance, 80 kilometer. Now come to the second. Here the distance covered by the first car equal to 60, this is the velocity, into time. That means here x plus 1, ये first car took x hours, और to catch by the second car 1 hour more यहाँ पे जोड़ना पड़ेगा. That means यहाँ पे आया, ये आया 60x. Okay, let it be. Now फर्स्ट कार यहाँ पे आया, सेकेंड कार भी यहाँ पे आया, both covered the same distance, so we can, this or this must be equal here, since distance covered same. So 80x equal to 60x plus 1. Now 80x equal minus 60x, minus 60x equal to 60, 20x equal to 60, x equal to 3. So the time here, what we have been asked, how long must the second car travel to overtake the first car. So thus the second car took 3 hours to overtake the first car. This is the solution. It is very easy. This is the 6th question. Two trains starting at the same time, having length 200 meter each, are moving in the same direction. If speed of the two trains is 30 km per hour and 35 km per hour respectively, find when they will cross each other. ये थोड़ा हटके क्वेश्चन है, but not so hard. Now first of all, we are having distance. Length means distance. Distance S equal to 200 meter. Now relative speed. Relative speed V equal to 35 minus 30 equal to 5 kilometer per hour. Now here it is meter, it is 5, here it is 5 kilometer per hour. We have to change this one. That means 5 into 1000 divided by 60 meter per minute. This is the standard unit of speed, meter per minute. Now 0 0 cancel, यहाँ पे 3, यहाँ पे 50, equal 250 by 3 meter per minute. Now time t equal to s by v, distance divided by velocity. 200 meter into 3 divided by 500. 500. 0, 0, 0, 0. 6 by 5. 3, 250, sorry. 250. 0, 0 cancel. 60 divided by 25. That means 2.20 point 2.4 minute. Now we can write 2 plus 0.4 minute. Now 2 plus 0.4 into 60. That means 2 minute 24 second. Find when they will cross each other. They will cross each other after 2 minute 24 second. So these are some questions on speed or velocity, you can say. Now next time I am coming with another topic, that is area and perimeter. Till then, wait and watch.